I'll give you just a short example of what the drones have meant to the community of Gresham. When we started this program this summer, the Drones as First Responder program, piloted it, our drones were out patrolling or responding to a call, and that call cleared up pretty quickly. And as the drones were coming back to get recharged, we got a call of a house on fire. And the drone was able to, because it still had battery life left, to divert to that call. Now that came out as a fire call, but as we all know, police often assist in fire calls, whether it's for road safety or if they're going to be the first ones there to help evacuate the residents from the home. And when they got there, by the way, a drone can fly, I would say, 1/10 of the amount of time it takes for a car or a red fire truck to get to somewhere, right? And quickly we got eyes on that this wasn't just a house fire. The house was fully engulfed. And it turns out that the homeowners were in the backyard stuck with fencing all around them. And so they had no escape route. That information was shared as officers arrived on scene. And because of that information sharing, the officers went next door and asked the neighbor for a chainsaw and literally cut a hole in the fence and the bushes to extricate the people out the back. Imagine if we hadn't been there. I can only envision that if they couldn't get out and we couldn't get the fire apparatuses and the police officers there in a timely way and had a way in which they could get out of the backyard, that they would have made it. The drones saved the day, literally saved lives. And this is just one quick testament to what they can provide to our community. We had just started our Drones as First Responder program. They were out for a little bit. This happens during that time period, and we see already, and by the way, we've shared that with our community, with our city leadership, to reinforce why it's important to have a program and what they really mean to our community safety. The expectation is that they believe in the work we do. We believe in the product that they supply, and they're helping us, guide us down this road of how do we bring on this technology, use it appropriately, and keep our community safe. So I can't thank Genpack enough. They've been a willing partner, and they've been with us every step.